Alright, so last time we finished on staff application. We covered up the staff views.py, able to verify our staff function, our staff dashboard function, our staff update staff, delete staff function, done very well. It was like more like a shortening of code, very easy. Today we have 2 more to go: the service app and the project app. We'll begin with the service app. So we'll come in here and just flow with me. Have any issues, let me know. Just remember, your eyes are important in programming and your hands. Any mistake, you have bugs. Or I love bugs, bugs. No bugs, no. Alright, okay, so let's begin. So service, of course, the same thing from Django. Shortcut: import, render, comma, redirect, then get objects or 0. Let me hide my. Then from .models, import service, process, from company .models, import company from Django.contrib.auth.decorators, import login required from Django.contrib, import messages. Oh, thank you, Lord Jesus. Thank you, Lord Jesus. So now we'll find a function for service that will show the service page on the on the browser, whether it's Chrome, Mozilla, UC browser, or this one. So def call it service. Okay. So we call it service, and alright, so that was a glitch in my hands. So requests slug, then let's start by saying company assigned to company dot object dot all. Index 0 means the first one. This means index 0, the first one. Then from service assigned to service dot get company slug title service format okay. Let me see. Okay, that's all. Let's see what's happening here. Don't stop. Wait, Okay, you said that. Okay, so first name now. Hey, showing white because that means it's not correct. So service model has he has first name. Okay, it's correct. He has first name here. So you have company model service is correct. So service but first name. Okay, then service underscore process objects dot filter. Then let me hide this one. Filter company assigned to company service dot order by ID. Categories. Context.
Returns on the backend. And again, I'm not talking about 50% returns a year, 20% returns a year. Just 13% returns a year can add up to $1 million plus over the course of your investing career just by getting slightly better returns on your money. So the mistake that a lot of people make is they say, I am going to be a passive investor. I'm going to invest my money into the S&P 500. Now I'm telling you this example because I've seen this happen too many times. And then as soon as the markets go down, you panic, you freak out, and you sell.
Then do your changes to service.
And what is the minority mindset? Happy birthday to you. It's crazy to believe that I've been here for 10 years. But over the last 10 years, I've seen the 2020 pandemic
these two flow.
I've seen the 2022 stock market downturn. I've seen the 2025 market turbulence in the first half of the year. Each one of these scenarios, what I've seen happen is that people panic and then they start to sell. Even those that are passive investors, they say, I'm going to be a long-term investor. I want to invest in the S&P 500 for the long term. But then as soon as you see the markets downturn, people freak out because you feel like everything is going to collapse. And then you sell at a huge discount, and then the financially savvy come in and buy huge discounted prices.
The return render request
for the long term, which brings me to the final part of this video, which is how do you actually win and not make these mistakes?
Service.html.
Because you have to know how you actually win in each one of these strategies. If you're going to be a hands-off investor, then let
Context.
the financial advisor do what they have to do and get yourself a good advisor. Understand their fees, understand their goals, and make sure that their goals are aligned with yours. And then you have to hope that you have a good advisor that's going to manage your money well, and you can study the track record and all of that too.
Login required.
Passive investor, the way that you win is by following what I call
Login URL.
Always be buying. So you find the funds that you want.
Where are you, Elsas? Sorry? Okay, login. Okay, good. Alright. And let's push, okay, without much time. Right. So something, it should be URL. What I did fit for my ones to serve in my staff view. It's login, get something up there. Let's define the function for this dashboard. I'll show on the admin. I'll show on the admin channel, admin panel. So be service dashboard. Remember, this is still important. This is valid. Go to your previous app, like staff app, Views.py file. Can you see? Go to your dashboard. This is same thing here. Can we copy from company? Let me see first. Same thing. Copy from. You see, just follow me here. Now go to staff dashboard app. Copy the whole thing. We'll change it to whole thing. Follow me. We've done that to save time. Let's copy the whole staff dashboard app. Or in fact, see, in fact, from login, everything downwards till the copy both the delete function and the other one to delete function. Copy everything. Update, delete. Copy it. Dashboard, delete, update everything. Copy. Okay. That is done. Go to your service. Everything. Yes. The services and paste it there. Then let's start now. Just simple work now. Follow me. Now, highlight staff. Anyway, you see staff. When you see staff here, highlight it. Just press Ctrl D throughout. Hold until it goes. It's all now. Then change the staff to service. Okay. Small service, small letter of service now. SERVICE. That one is done. Good. That's one. So now the service form. Now the service form is going to be big letter. Anyone that has service form, click on service form alone. Service form. Ctrl D. They just change only the S to big S. Big S. Didn't mark. It didn't rhyme here. That's why I didn't import it. Let's import our forms. That's why. Come under your imports. Go on that. Go to from dot forms. Import service form and service process form. Now to show now. Now to show now. Good. Are you doing that, Osas? Just are you done? Alright. Let's go back. So now we've done that. Don't want to be that. It's our let's go to the staff view, staff model. So let's see what you have in our service model. We have company, correct. There's an issue somewhere. It's not showing me like as before. Let me see. Showing me like it's not seeing it. Oh, okay, yeah, that was why. So let's come back here. So we have service form. Service one should be big S. What is a now? Highlight this whole thing to D. Just only one. Just one. Just change it from big S alone. Correct. Now it's showing now. So you have first name here. Copy this first name. So it should just be first name. It should be here. Not full name. It should be first name. Highlight. Control D to first name. Good. And copy out. Last same line again, that entire line. Okay, this one is last name. We change the email to last name. Control D to last name. Good. We have slug. Change the phone number to slug. Control D slug. Position. You have description. Change the position to description. That is done. I'm through with that. Let's go back there. So thank you for services added successfully. Thank you. Thank you. Your services has been created. Let's use the good one. So thank you. We'll say your service has been created. Okay. All right. Then it's correct. Then yes, it's done. Good. Let's 45. See now, it's in the model. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. All right. Delete service. The same thing. Dashboard. That's correct. And then so in the return render, So it's under change the theme to change just theme, highlight it, Control D, okay, D, put service, also a small letter, and it's very fast, I beg, something that you are done with it. That's all. Let's go to update service, the same thing. Let's update the same thing, update service, the same we're doing here. I think so, yeah. We are good to go. Alright, good. This one will now be projects. We are done with stuff. So projects. Are we through? Project has its own model. Oh, I see there. Yeah, take your time. Let me know you are done. Good, okay. So that's Alpha. Red line. I love that. So what's the issue? Is your direct? Check whether is well indented. The lining. Have time. Alright, let's go on. So last man standing now is this project. This is the logo of the whole thing. So same thing we do, just projects is kind of, it's not weird, it's not strange. So the render, redirect, then please don't miss these two parts. Okay, what's that? Then from import the models. Remember now we have models. Now our project model, we have project model, we have project. Can you see? Can I go on and explain? So now importing these shortcuts, then models. We have a model called project image model. We have client model, and we have this one model. But this is four of them. Yeah, we're doing this from dot means within the same folder, select dot models, okay, then import the names projects, okay, then correct, then project image, then client, then testimonials.
But the question is, where do those assets get purchased in the first place? They got purchased by people who are effectively trying to target
Goods from service.models, import service models, import service, then from company dot models, import company from Django dot contrib dot auth dot decorators import login underscore required from accounts dot models import account from forms import project form, correct, project image form, correct, then client form, correct, and lastly testimonial form. Yes, that is done. Also import from Django.contrib import messages from Django.score.paginator import paginator. Let's start the work now. Wait. Can you push? Let's start. First, to test project function. So def, call this one service projects. So we'll do our project services, maybe begin service, cleaning, why they call it service underscore projects. Then requests service underscore slug. Have we done services URL? I think so. Let's keep one of them. No, those services forms. Thank God. Oh, Jesus, thank you. Okay. Let's just quickly finish services URL. Okay. Let's keep one of them. So services URL. To save our time, just go to open your staff URL. Sorry. For God's sake. Are you done with this one? Okay, you're still there. The staff URL, copy staff URL, Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Go to your service URL, paste it there. No time to waste, I beg. Then let's change it. The first one has this. We'll start by this first one. Put in services / in angle brackets slug : then view staff, call it service, you done with here? Alright, let's move here. Then you call this one service _ slug. Me henceforth now just change the stuff from the second line. Allow it to go to D. Change the stuffs all to service. Okay, now then let's start because we have two models for service and processes. So now we will now duplicate from service dashboards these three again, like this. Now we have three. This one is for service, so processes, and now highlight all the service. Watch it, service, and add to each of them underscore process, process. That's all. But this was within the quotes is URL, so go to use instead of underscore, use hyphen for avoid SQL injection hackers from having to use hyphen for this one. Hyphen here, 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 hyphen here. Okay, that's how we'll do that right now. That's all. Then let's add our context processors to our service app. So we'll go to which app is now. I think we did that for company and for account. So go to company and copy out, just drag from here. Just copy from here. Go to your service app and paste service. Also paste 2 in project 2. I took from company app, from here, copy here, and paste it in service and projects. Now change it. It's not very short code. Menu link, company, call it sorry. I think I have an idea. Let me move to this area of this stuff. So don't worry guys. Sorry for that. Yeah. Make it smaller. Good to see it guys. It's still clear. Company links service.object .filter company of course. Imports dot company then from dot models import service return service links. How are you? Tired, right? Are you tired, Abby? Okay. Okay. this all for this one. So done with this two, let me know. Let's proceed and do the project part of that. Oh, my dear project, sorry. Sorry. 1 minute.
So we're pulling down their buying power. And then also, we start using like an
yes. It's 1 minute, it's 2 minutes, please. Okay. So I'm doing the file for the projects. Company processors project is on that. This for the service app is. What am I doing? Okay, don't worry. Okay, no. So URL here, save time. So we're going very fast and then so for the import company. This for projects. So let's do for projects. We'll do from dot models import projects. I've been doing yourself here. So I have these links. Company. First service underscore IDS. Okay, let me these guys. So order by service.value lists. Service flat true distinct. There's no repetition. Service that is done. Then links service dot objects dot filter company ID IN service IDS projects. How's it going, goodness? Are you almost done? Alright. How far? Vivian? I'm not seen it yet, so. Miss V, I've not seen what you sent yet. Oh, it's coming, it's still coming, right? Okay, alright. Take your time. Projects Yes. Okay. Alright, so it's already 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. Need to go. Let's just do some. Give me like 5 more minutes with you guys. Okay. This Vivian. Alright. 5 minutes. Okay. Alright. I will check it now. Okay. This is all for the expressors there. Let's finish and now quickly do the let's do this. If I show it, sorry, you missed one thing in the service view. They finish. Shall finish this first. Finish let me know. Yeah, how far? Check first. So what did it show you now? Project images. Oh, that was why it's not images. It's image. It's not project. It's images. BS here. Now, so it's even verifying. So let's wait tomorrow. Okay, it takes time. Okay, it's depending. Right, it's pending. That's verifying. Okay, it's pending. We'll send you an email. Okay, if it's verified yet, they will. Because it's showing there we are verifying, so it's still in the process of verifying. So you cannot. Okay, open it. Let's. What is it saying? As yours is verified yet, the one you paid 15 naira to. Check this. Let's see. We try. Okay, people are doing well. Well done guys, well done girls. Oh boy. It's still pending, okay? Give it like one day. So try again tomorrow evening, same time tomorrow evening. All of you are the same position. All of you are the same time as 4 of you. Just I said, yeah. Look at this. It's just I just do that is verifying, but normally verifying it takes time. Let's say verifying. I won't feel scared. This is verifying. The Nigerian is a very courtesy stuff for that, so I have no fear. Okay, just chill and relax. You've done well. Okay, you just go and rest your mind and rest your head, and just stay on. If you're tired, I'll do the email today and do the other one tomorrow. Just rest, okay? And do your house chores, something else. You have time, good, okay? You're always online. Yes. All done. course, you've done well. Okay. So from staff views, we just bring out the same thing: staff dashboard, update, delete, same thing. Tell them paste it here. From the staff dashboard, update, delete, copy it and paste it in project. This now, let me see. Are you guys? Are you access? 940. You right? Okay. Alright. Our service, so we have to update server. Okay, so from this stuff, time to change. So change all the we'll change all the stuff to projects. Just copy projects. Change all the stuff to projects from here. Just the and projects. Oh, no, I think I made a mistake. Only S behind it. Okay, that one is done. Then the form, so project form. So big P. Big P, big P, then project form is big P. Of course, the without render. Change the theme folder to projects. All the themes we change to projects. Then change these things we have here. Normally in the projects. We have it's company in case so a big P. Company, then service, then title, project scope. Completion dates. Completion dates. Where are you, Osas? Yeah? You right? Yeah, no, yeah, okay, so I'll have a bigger screen as well, so the models I did here was what? Video I did it for, okay, that's what I have. I just add start dates. start date and end date. End date, image, no description.
But he should be like, try it. He's not right.
That again, copy the same thing again for a new client and testimonials. Copy from project dashboard again, create dashboard, paste it again for testimonials, paste it again for clients twice. Let's start from the I'm doing it for. Are you guys stuck? Are you guys stuck? Where are you? Okay, go fast. Yeah, go on WhatsApp, just copy the codeness. No, don't worry, it's no challenge. Let's do this. Start update projects, right? Yes. I think so. Okay, from project dashboard alone. Let's stop, let's do that from there. Just follow me fast. The whole code, just just copy and paste it and just follow me. Are you doing that? Okay. So now, remember we've done projects now. Something applies to. How you show me white here now? Model, project images. Oh, not S here. That's why. Just project image should not have S. So D, highlight all, and change the S on all of them. Good. Now remember, we've done for project image. Let's now do for. Oh no. We skip one self. confused. I get confused. I'm getting confused right now. Okay, see here. Right now. What's there for now? What's there? Open views in services, please. Views and services views. Services views. But we didn't do dashboards owned. So now for dashboard of processes. Just follow me. Services now. Let's just do this. We've done services model. Let's do for this one now. So copy from service dashboard from 7 down everything. Copy it. Give a line space by 2 line space. I mean from 105 and paste 105 there. Okay. Then follow me there. So back to 105. Let's start playing with that quickly. Just with that in that in 3 minutes. So 105. Add services. Add services. Service just go Control D. Control D. Watching me, I'm coming, please. Here, make mistake in this thing right now. I thought you were watching now. I said, fast follow me now. I said from service mode app Views.py service, go to service dashboard 7, pay everything out there. And paste it to 105. The flow right now. Okay. Then services here. Add to them. Should be service underscore process. Okay, let's draw on. Then PPA service process dashboard. Process to it dashboard. Then services. This should not have service filter. Then add to that service processes. Then service process dot object dot filter service. Is it confusing? Service process form. Then service process. We have company in the service model. What we have there was service first name, last name, description, image, save, somebody lost. Huh? I lost. Give me 3 minutes. Let me just do this. Guys, they could on WhatsApp. Just do this right now. So I must give you 1 minute. Ah, shit. Trying to race with time so that I'm not delay. Let's can do this stuff. That's all. Thank you. Service process updated successfully. Return service processes. Bring this back here. they just go through it, and it's already past 5. We need to start going. Yeah, I'll be here sometime. Hold on, hold on, hold on. So just paste that on your code and let me see my stuff I'm doing here. Didn't do the right thing. No mistakes. So I've done this for some service. Okay, alright now. All done, okay. Okay, so done with that. Let's now do the projects. Let's now do the projects views and see how it goes. So project views. So project views. Where is this model of project model has to be around this area? Yeah, okay. Hold on. Projects. So we've done project dashboards, view. Update, delete projects, update projects, project dashboards. Okay. That dashboard what we'll do next will be project image dashboard. Okay, then there will be title. We'll use project format, project images image.name, the company, have project image form. Project image service. Project image App added successfully. Get image dashboards. Get this one. services. Dot filter. Title, form, projects, project images, updated project image. Now with that, we finally concluded with the views for projects, product image. Let's now do client and testimonials. So clients and testimonials. We'll take from what we have here in staff. So all the stuff from staff dashboards, delete staff, update staff, copy it, and come in line 201, paste. Now modify that to suit which is first. Client, testimonials, client first of all. Line 20, line 201, yes, which is okay. Line 201. Okay, line 281. Okay, all right. staff to clients, just the client, then change this client creators filter to big C, then client form, so client post, so we have company, request that posts company, client, don't mind my background podcasts to get inspiration. So data, just accompanying my client has just my project model. It has just few, so we have clients just accompanying, then image, then name, remove, that's all. Thank you, client added successfully. Thank you. Let's switch to new client. Successfully. Put has been added successfully. That's all. Company should be there. Updates, delete clients. It's okay, so it should be big C. Updates, we have clients, request instance, thank you, clients, has been updated successfully. Client dashboard. So I think instead of doing team, change the team to client. Then the one will be for testimonials. So again, copy from staff, paste it there, 9354, which is 354. Yeah, change the staff to testimonials. So it's testimonials, and big T. We have company. This money does not require files, only posts and company. Company, testimonial, let's see our view, our model has company, it's company, mistakenly, it's company issues here. But then we see the forms of this. I use this form, so yeah. Testimonials form shouldn't be. Oh wow, okay. That went well. So company. So alright, back to our stuff. Project models.py. Don't need full name. Want this image only. Company name, okay. Company name, content, thank you. New testimonial has been added successfully. Good. Change the theme to projects. No. Change the theme to testimonials. So delete testimonial. This will be big T. Update testimonial. Thank you so. Okay, that's all for the back end of that, and it's done well. So with that, we have we've concluded the views of PY. URL. Okay, URL is not yet done. Sorry, let's do that. Okay, URL. Come that now. So our time. Just open your service URL. Didn't save suite. Control C, projects, Control V. Let me close this. Close this. Close this. Let me put this one here. Move this one. Move this one. Okay. Begin by for the project. For the project URLs. Let's start. This will be project. Projects, this will be projects, this will int should be project underscore ID. Service slug service dashboard project. Okay, I don't like putting this partners. Yeah. So I have my project image, testimonial, and clients. Yeah, or no clients, then testimonials. So now we're done with that. Testimonial did not show. I think I missed something there. I think I did it with plural. I didn't add testimonial to this thing. Okay, let me see. So after we did this client, so your partner should not be there. So Control that's done. Okay, now done with this. Let's now go ahead and do the admin. Let's now create our super user. That'll be done for there. I create our super user. Our super user.
Two things I wanted to say. The first thing is a huge thank you for listening.
before we do that, let's do our admin.py files for each of them. So we'll begin from the list to the top. So admin.py for staff. It's gonna be so easy. This is where what will show in our Django admin, and yeah. So we're following what's having in our staff model.py. Let's begin by putting the models from dot models. Import staff, just staff. So class admin dot model admin list display first name position is active is okay. That's all. Then admin dot site dot register staff admin, then service next app. Slug. Last name. service created it. Class service first name, last name, with 17. Process. Service process. Service admin. Okay, that is done. Project. Copy this one here, paste it here, delete this one here. So import project image testimonial. Project admin, list display, list display, it shows title, company, service, start date, start date. So list filter, list filter, we have start date, company name, search field, you can search it by title, project, scope, company name, list per page, so class, project, images, please display. We have project images, name, company, service, search fields, key. Let's do it again. Copy this and paste for projects. So projects to testimonial. Just follow me.
Investing from the age of 16 until I'm 50, I would have $730,000.
Let's now do the FAQ. Accounts. Account will just be empty, basically empty. So we're done with everything. We've done for the account, we've done for the blog admin, done for company admin, done for inquiry admin, done for FAQ admin. Remember, we are building a website, so it'll be so vast breadth. Follow me step by step. It's for FAQ admin, it's for project admin. Okay, this for pretty much service admin, it's for staff admin. Alright, now we all do it. One more thing before we call it a day here. Please like, comment, ask your questions. I will drop the GitHub repo link below. Hopefully I will do that. You can chat me up my handles and I will give a feedback and reply. As soon as possible. Okay, this is my how do I get there? PPA is here. website. Show this. So beginning from is projects image. We do have partners. Coding is about 4 ways: understand the code, copy it, paste it, modify it. So we have staff. Staff should go. Manager should not be there. From letter from shouldn't be a chat, maybe this is for the home view, so hide it.
That's at least the curtain, and Naval talks about this. Talks about these things and understanding that
tied to okay, understand close these files. Folders. So we want a folder that will house the accounts, the account there, then one that will house the blog, then folder for the inquiry, and a folder for FAQ. For the project, service, now let's now move it to there. So we've done this account, folder, let's move some of them to them. Let's see. So from the one more, we miss one company. So alright, so and today, see you next time. Bye.